Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a username on your Fathom wallet. So let's get started. What you need to do is open your Fathom wallet. So I'm going to open my own now, and that is it. Click on your Fathom wallet. If you didn't have a Fathom wallet before, you can go I think you could have, or you could not have unlock a Fathom. You can just go to your Google store and download your Fathom and create a wallet there. So I'm going to open it. And then as soon as you can see, this is my account now. What you need to do is click on your profile picture here. You can see your account. Click on account. Then we're going to see account username, account name. And I'm going to show you another way now. So what we're going to do is create a username. You can see it here. Click on create your username. Then it's going to take a few seconds to load. So just wait for it to load. Once it's load finish, you can see just click on continue. Now you're going to choose a username, and let me choose a username and make sure the username is available to use. I think this one is not available, so I'm going to put something there. Okay, you can set the say as username is available. Just click on continue. When you click on continue, you're going to see to choose an avatar. So let's choose if there's any avatar. So I'm going to choose this one now. Once you choose this one, you can see it has changed the avatar here. Just click on save. Once you click on save, click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. Now you can see create a username, and we've already successfully created our username. So it's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, copy, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in our next video. You can see username created. Thank you guys. Let's click on done, and we are done. You can see that our name is being changed. See you guys.